Okay guys, so let's begin this practice in all fours, and we'll start by doing some cat-cows. So once you get there, inhale, look up, and then exhale around your spine. Move with your breath. Waking up the spine. Your next inhale, come back to all fours, tabletop position. From here, let's walk your hands up a little bit in front of you, and then curl the feet. Come up into a downward facing dog. Bend your knees generously. Pedal it out as much as you need to here. Then from here, let's push into our left palm into the mat. And simply, let's just go up with our right hand and grab our left hip. Just briefly, bring your right palm back to the mat. Same thing on the other side. Grab your right hip with your left hand. Just briefly, bring it back. From here, let's lift our right leg high. Exhale, step it forward. From here, let's come into a high lunge. So inhale, lift the hands up. Stacking the knee over the ankle. Exhale, bring your hands together at your chest. From here, we'll twist over to our right, placing our left tricep on top of our right leg. Breathe. Exhale, come back to center. Lower your left knee. Uncurl your left foot. Slowly bring it back. Sit back on your left foot into a nice half split. Be mindful of your knee here. Inhale, come forward. Step your right foot back into plank, and from here we'll chaturanga, upward facing dog. Exhale, back to down dog. From here, let's lift our left leg high. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, high lunge. From here, bring your palms together at your chest. Twist over to your left. Exhale, bring it down. Lower your right knee to the mat and curl your right foot. Slowly bring it back. Sit back on your right foot, half splits. Next inhale, come forward. Step both feet back into plank. Chaturanga, up dog, or lower down for cobra. From here, let's bring it back into an extended child's pose. let's come up into downward facing dog. Step our feet up to meet our hands. From here, we'll do a forward fold. Let's inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, exhale, hands to heart. And you are good to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.